I have made over 400,000 naira from Xfmusic Nigeria. I'm going to show you my earnings and also show you all my withdrawal history so that you see that I have actually made this amount of money on this platform called Xfmusic Nigeria. So if I click on mine here, you will see that my balance here is 324,444 naira, right? And if you are interested to know, I have upgraded to a higher plan of 77,400 naira. If you have been following my YouTube channel, you know that what I started with is 21,600 naira. So I have upgraded to a higher level of 77,400 naira just to enable me make more money, right? So this one is not part of my earnings. This is not part of my earnings. So this is my current balance, 324,444 naira. Let me go to my withdrawal history and show you all my withdrawal record. So I will click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, I click on withdrawal history up here. Once I click on withdrawal history, it is going to show me all my withdrawal history. As you can see, this first one is 27,000 naira. This one here is 27,000 naira. This one here is 27,000 naira. And as you can see, the status page has paid, right? Now, if you calculate this, and this my balance here, it is going to give you a total of over 405,000 naira. This is how much I have actually earned on Xfmusic Nigeria. Before I continue this video, I have a free gift that I'm going to give out to you if you actually watch this video all the way till the very end. And that gift is worth up to 10,000 naira if you watch this video till the very end. Then apart from that, another awesome opportunity is knocking at your door right now. If you register on Xfmusic today, deposit money and purchase a plan, your deposit will be refunded to you automatically and you will be able to withdraw it. Xfmusic Nigeria is running a promo, and the promo is only for 200 people. Once 200 people have registered, the promo will end. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity right now, this is the best opportunity for you to register on Xfmusic and have your deposit refunded to you automatically, and you can be able to withdraw it. So if you are ready to register on Xfmusic and start making cool cash, let me show you exactly how to create your account on this platform. To create an account on Xfmusic Nigeria, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you're going to do is to enter your phone number, right? Enter your phone number, then set your login password. Confirm your login password. Then under verification code, this is the number you are going to put in. This one right here, that is what you're going to enter inside this verification code. Once you have done that, you come down here and click register now. Once you click register now, your account will be created instantly. Once your account has been created instantly, next thing I recommend you do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal and also set up your withdrawal password, because whenever you want to withdraw, they are going to ask you for your withdrawal password. So let me show you how to set up all these things. So I am back to my own account. What you're going to do is to click mine again. Then you click this XM logo at the top left. Once you are on this page, you will see full name, bank account, withdrawal password. So click on full name first and enter your full name as it is in your bank account. Once you have done that, you come to bank account, click bank account and enter your bank account details. Once you have done that, you come to withdrawal password, click withdrawal password and enter any 4-digit number you will always remember, right? Then once you have done this, the next thing you should do is to go ahead and deposit money in your account. My WhatsApp number is in the video description. You can send me a message on WhatsApp so that I can guide you properly on how to deposit money in your SM account and also how to purchase a plan. You will see my WhatsApp number in the video description. If you want to watch the step-by-step video on how to deposit money and purchase a plan, I will leave a link to a video in the video description. You can go down to the video description and watch the first video I made on this platform. It is going to show you step-by-step process on how to do everything by yourself. Now, you might be wondering how I am able to make this huge amount of money from Xfmusic Nigeria. I am going to tell you. I take advantage of the referral program to make cool cash for myself, right? And this is what you can actually do right now to make good money from this platform. Remember, you can make money from this platform without any referral. You can make money and withdraw your money without any referral. But if you want to make huge amount of money from this platform, not only by listening to music, you can focus on the referral aspect. And this is where my free bonus comes in. If you register today, deposit money and purchase a plan, I am going to show you the secret that I use to get all these referrals. And once you learn this secret, you will apply it and you can actually get the same result if you are really serious about making money online. I sell these secrets, which I called Referrals Hacker ebook. I sell it for 10,000 naira. But if you join Xfmusic today using the first link in the video description, I am going to give you away that ebook totally for free, just for joining Xfmusic, right? So if you are ready to take the secret, go down to the video description, click the first link in the video description and join Xfmusic, right? Deposit money in your account. If you need my assistance, like I said before, my WhatsApp link is in the video description. You can chat me up on WhatsApp so that I guide you properly on how to deposit money in your Xfmusic account and also how to purchase a plan and start making money from this particular website. If you want to join my Telegram channel, you will also see the link in the video description. Go down to the video description and you will see the link to join my Telegram channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead, like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.